Hi all, I am Heera from the Department of Journalism. So in this session we are going to deal with morphology. So let's see what is morphology. Morphology means the study of morphemes. Morphemes means it's the smallest meaningful unit of a language. Not only meaningful unit of a language, but some linguists says that recurrently occurring some words, some group of sounds also can be categorized under morphemes. Let's take the example unfaithful. So in the word unfaithful, there are three morphemes: un, faith and full. We know that faith is a meaningful word, but un and full also will be come under morpheme, because when these morphemes are attached to a particular word, it is getting another meaning or another form. So unfaithful. So there are three morphemes here. When it comes to the word unhappiness, there are also three morphemes: unhappiness. And when it comes to rewrite, to re and write. So we know that certain morphemes always occur in same form in all words. For example, ing, and ed. Not ed, ing. So this occur similarly in all forms or all environment. For example, un and full. It always occur in same form in all words. Let's take the example of plural morpheme. We know that to convert a singular word to plural, we need to add s. Here, pets, glasses, legs. See, it is occurring in different forms. Here it's s sound, here it's is sound, here it's z sound. So that is, so you can see variant forms of a particular morpheme. So that is called allomorphs. Variant forms of a particular morpheme is called allomorphs. Now let's discuss the types of morphemes. The first category is free and bound morpheme. Free morpheme means the morphemes that can stand independently. They don't need any other morphemes to get a meaning. But bound morpheme means it only gets meaning when it is attached to any other morpheme. See the example unhappiness. Here happy is a word which can stand independently and it has a meaning. But here see the morpheme un and ness. They can't stand independently and they don't have any meaning when they are standing independently. So un and ness are example for bound morpheme and happy is an example for free morpheme. Now let's see the second type of morpheme, that is lexical and grammatical morphemes. Lexical morpheme is almost similar to that of free morpheme because they can stand independently. But grammatical morphemes means they only do the they can only give grammatical meaning. They don't have any other meaning when they are standing independently. So the words like the prepositions, auxiliary verbs, so all those come under grammatical morphemes. Here verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs all come under lexical. Form classes will come under lexical and functional class will come under grammatical morphemes. So let's take the example. Sita is writing. Here the words Sita and write are examples for lexical because they are having meaning when they are standing alone. But see their words is and ing. They are grammatical morphemes because they are appearing in this sentence just to give a grammatical meaning. Next sentence. Let's take another example. Ram has written exams. Here, Ram write exam. All those three morphemes are having meaning when they are standing alone. But has, en and s, they appeared in this sentence just to give a grammatical meaning. So that is the difference between lexical and grammatical morphemes. Next one is stem and affixes. Stem means root words. Affixes include prefix, suffix and infix. Prefix with means the morpheme attached in front of the word. Suffix means after the word. Infix means in between the letters of a word. Actually, infix is not in this it is not present in English language. So let's see types of affixes. Inflectional affix and derivational affix. Inflectional affix means when a particular affix is added, maybe it can be prefix or a suffix, when it is attached to a word, there is no drastic change in the meaning and there is no change in the class. Class means verb, noun, that is what I am meaning here. So that is inflectional affix. So imagine a word girl is the sound s or the plural morpheme s is added to the word girl. So there is no much change in the meaning. Just the plural form is changed to singular. So that is example for inflectional affix. Take the example of the word walk. When the word ing is when the morpheme ing is added, that word will change to walking. Again, the word is same in the class of verb. Walk is also a verb and walking is also a verb and walked is also a verb. So that is example for inflectional affix. There is no much change in the meaning as well as in the class. But derivational affix means when a particular affix is attached to a word or a morpheme, a new word is derived. That is why it got the word. It got the term derivational affix. So there is a chance of change in the meaning as well as change in the class. Let's take the example happy to unhappy. See, the word the morpheme un is attached to the word happy. The extreme unhappy. The word unhappy is formed and thereby you have derived another word from this just by attaching the derivational affix un. Because the meaning has changed. Happy is a positive thing and unhappy is a negative thing. See, there is a change in the meaning. Happy to unhappy. Let's take an example for class change. The word happy is an adjective, but when morpheme ness is attached, it has changed to a noun form. Another example is edit, editor, beg, beggar, then beauty, beautiful. So you can see that the class is changing, noun to adjective or verb to noun. You can see all these things when you are attaching a derivational affix. So in case you are attaching a derivational affix, there will be a change in the meaning or the change of class. So these are the two types of affixes. So that's all for today. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.